They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, but when it comes to content, the right picture is worth 10 times the engagement and probably a few extra likes from your Aunt Carol. That's not just a statement. A Skyward study found that content with relevant visuals attracts nearly 10 times the views than content without them. But here's what they don't tell you. It's not about slapping any image onto your post. This is Michelle Troutman with a classy business writing tip on why skipping visuals in your content is a fatal flaw, as fatal as using the word leverage too many times. Imagine this scenario. You're reading a restaurant menu that just says, food, $15. No pictures, no descriptions. Would you order? That's what content without visuals feels like to your audience. A mystery meal they're not sure they want to try. Because images don't just decorate your content. They're engagement tools many businesses underuse. Quick, which one would make your thumb freeze mid-scroll? Before, a plain text post with long paragraphs. After, the same post with an eye-catching image or carousel added. So how can you use visuals to help your readers see the story behind your messaging? Stick around and I'll show you. For more insights like this, hit the subscribe button. And for free checklists to help you create content that reaches the right clients, see the link in the video description. Think of visuals as your content supporting cast, minus the drama and inflated egos. When you use them strategically, they're not just an attractive accompaniment to your writing. They enhance it, offering a fresh vantage point for more compelling messaging. They clarify concepts. A well-placed image can explain in seconds what it takes paragraphs to describe. They break up text. If your reader faces long blocks of text, visuals improve readability and keep them focused. They create emotional connections before words have a chance. The right image or video can stop scrollers in their tracks to provoke curiosity, excitement, or trust instantly. Did you know? According to MIT, your brain processes visual information in just 13 milliseconds. That's before you're even consciously aware you've seen something, and definitely faster than you can say hyper-personalized blockchain-powered funnel optimization. That's faster than you can blink. But not all visuals are created equal. Here's how to use them effectively through the visual framework. Valuable data. Add a chart that highlights key results like a before and after graph or comparison. Infographics for complex information. For example, you could take key points from a report and turn them into an infographic. Storytelling through authentic imagery. I'll show you 2 examples in a few seconds. Unique behind-the-scenes content to bring dry topics to life, like a manufacturing video that humanizes a boring industrial client. Action-inspiring demonstrations, step-by-step visual guides or carousels like you see posted on LinkedIn. Live or real-world examples, authentic stories without the staging. More visual options, short videos, memes, photos or illustrations. Photos and video tend to be the most effective. The results might vary. Algorithms can skew them, but in my experience, organic social media posts with relevant images gain more interest. I don't scale them to each platform's recommended sizes either. So you see, without visuals, even the best content can go unnoticed. Video adds depth to your content. It brings the faces behind the screen into focus, making your brand feel more human and relatable. Not all videos need to be polished productions. Some of the best performers fall into these categories. Behind-the-scenes glimpses. Build connections by showing the people and processes behind your brand. How-to demonstrations. Teach something useful and your audience will stick around. Client success stories. Social proof in action. Nothing sells your expertise better than real results. Let's play Spot the Difference. Which of these tells a better story? A stock photo of a handshake or a candid shot of a team celebrating a product launch? The winner, the real moment. Why? Because staged cliched stock photos feel generic unless you're making a statement. Stock photos are the business equivalent of awkward school portraits. Technically, they get the job done, but no one's excited to see them. Authentic visuals, real faces, real moments help build trust and engagement, reinforcing your messaging. For example, the touristy newsletter mixes snarky takes on current news with fun memes and animations. The right visuals don't just attract attention, they boost your brand's personality. Remember the fatal flaw I mentioned at the beginning? It's the belief that your words alone can carry your messaging in today's visual-first world. The data proves otherwise. All kinds of visuals provide a powerful way to communicate ideas more effectively than words alone. As the saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and a well-placed visual can be worth 1,000 clicks. How do you use visuals to make your content more engaging? Let me know in the comments. In the next video, we'll cover how to make your content more useful to your readers. For more writing tips and techniques, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. And for your free content creation checklist, see the link in the video description. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to keep your writing classy and your visuals even classier.